family, I just want to tell everyone thank you that been voting for me daily, or everyone that has voted for me. Without you, we would not have reached this far. I am number 2 in my group of over 37 girls, so you guys really been amazing. Tomorrow is the last day for the end of this group. So after tomorrow, they will choose the top 15 girls and we will be moved to the next batch of the competition. Now tomorrow is the last day. It's gonna end at 6 p.m. PST, which will be 9 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. So please do not forget to put in your votes. If you don't know, I'm running for Miss Jet Set Magazine 2022. I will leave all information down in the description box for you. Today's video is very amazing because I'm going to be showing you guys a really incredible treatment that you can use to stop hair fall, help with your thinning edges, bald patches, and also just give you overall healthy hair and scalp and longer hair growth. If you love to see all the powerful ingredients I'm putting together, please keep on watching. Bay leaves are packed with antioxidants that can help smooth hair and give a shiny look. These leaves can also be used to fight bacteria and fungal infection on the scalp. It also fights dandruff and itchy scalp. Research suggests that bay leaves can boost hair growth and also strengthen hair follicles, which in turn help to tackle hair falls. Rice treatment is known to have many benefits. Thanks to its natural antioxidants, it is also believed to boost metabolism. The use of rice has a very long history in hair care. For nearly 2,000 years, rice has been used in Asia as part of hair care routine. It is used to wash, deep condition, and also nourish your hair. It gives your hair shine and a healthy look. It is also great for dry and damaged hair. In this video, I am using black rice because black rice has more antioxidants than any other types of rice. I'm using only 2 tablespoons of our black rice. Our next powerful ingredient is our bulldog root. This root is loaded with essential fatty acids and phytosterol compounds. It can also help with irritated scalp while also reversing hair loss. It can help generate new growth, all thanks to those 2 powerful elements which aim at restoring hair. The fatty acids in this root bag can also be used to treat psoriasis. I'm going in with 1 tablespoon of cloves. Cloves repair, strengthen, and add a healthy shine to our hair shaft. When applied regularly, it then improves blood circulation in the scalp and promotes stronger hair growth. This miracle ingredient also reduces hair fall, solve the root cause of hair thinning, keep your scalp healthy, reduce scalp infection, and thicken your hair. After adding in all of our ingredients to our pot, I'm just going in with 3 cups of water. And then I'm going to put it on low heat, let it just boil until it changes to this color. It's been like a couple of hours now. I will make sure I cool down. I'm now just going to strain it, and then we are going to add in the rest of our ingredients. I'm now going in with a few drops of my S Secrets Growth Oil. This is my 21 ingredients growth oil. You can also find this product on Amazon.com now. And along with my carrot growth oil. this is also on Amazon.com. So then I'm just going to give it a good shake. And our treatment is ready to be used. I was able to get almost 3 bottles of this treatment. So I'm going to use this on Sonia hair now as a leave-in treatment. And then tomorrow is my wash day. So I will use this as a pre-poo treatment. I will leave it on for some hours and then I will go in and continue the rest of my wash day. So I'm going to be using both of them tomorrow on my hair, and this one will be used on Sonia hair today and along with Aurora hair. And you can keep this in your fridge for up to 7 days, being that it doesn't have any preservatives in it. So I would recommend after 7 days you can discard it. The best way to keep it, you can keep it in your freezer and that will last longer. Whenever you're ready to use it, just take it off the night before and let it just melt down. Okay family, so this is the end of today's video. If you gave this treatment a try and it did work for you, or if you are familiar with any of these ingredients, can you leave your comment down in the comment section so it can help others out? Please do not forget to vote for me, as tomorrow is the last day for us to move to the next round. You can vote every 24 hours, your free daily vote. You don't have to pay for votes, but if you want to buy a vote, I will also really appreciate that because it's just going to push me further. And 25% of that vote money gonna go to the B+ Foundation. It is a charity foundation that helps kids with cancer. If you love this video, please do not forget to give me a like. Do not forget to follow me on Instagram at Selena Zainchuk, and I will see you in my next video. Remember, 2022 is our year of long and healthy, beautiful hair. Bye-bye and have a blessed day.